Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with EDATE function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Here we can see a date column and data are given in month, day and year format. Some months are given. So what actually EDATE function does? EDATE moves the date month wise forward or backward or as it is. Let's see the example. EDATE open bracket select comma, and if you select this cell where 1 is available, then it will move 1 month forward. If the value is positive, it moves 1 month forward. If the value is 0, it will stay as it is. If it is minus value, then it will go backward, and it will go forward or backward month wise. So if I close this and enter, we can see this is May 31. Now because we selected 1 month and that is positive, so it went 1 month forward, that is June 30, 1 month later. Now if I select this one, it will go 2 month forward. So edate, select the cell, select this one. You can see June 3 became June, July and August 3. If I select this cell, that is 0, then it will remain as it is because it will go no step forward or backward. These are the same dates. Now if I select this, we can see it is February 20, it went backward 1 month, that is January 20. If we select this, then it will go backward for 3 months, and because this is March 10, it will go uh, December 10 last year. Okay, I think it is clear. Now if individually you can do like this, or if you want to apply uh, the same length of forward or backward in months, then edate start date comma, and without giving selecting the months, you can also type the month manually. If I select one and that is positive, so it will go 1 month forward. You can see this one, and if I drag across, every date will go 1 month forward. If I select here 3 and drag across, every month will go 3 month forward. If I select -3 and drag across, it will go backward 3 months. Okay, if I select 0, all the dates are just as it is. So this is how we can work with EDATE function. That's all for today. Thank you very much.